How to wear 2 hairs in Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So head over to a browser and type in roblox.com, and after that you may go ahead and turn on the desktop site by tapping on the three dot in the bottom of your browser and type in desktop site, tap on it and turn on the desktop site for your Roblox. Once the desktop site is turned on, wait for the page to completely load. And what you can do is you may head over to this 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner, tap on it. Now from the given options, head over to the option called avatar. And when you do, you will be led towards this page. Now from the given page, first thing is you can go ahead and select up a hair. For that you can go ahead and tap on this head and body and tap on hair. And from head and body you may select up a hair first that you would like to apply. For example, we have applied this one right here. So you can see I've added this here. Once you've done that, in order to add another hair, what you need to do is locate up another hair. For example, this one right here. And for that, what you can do is long press on that and you should be finding an option called copy link address. Tap on it. And once your link address is copied, in order to add up a hair, look for the advanced option and enter the code of the hair and tap on save. Once you do that, you should be finding the changes with 2 hairs on your character. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to add 2 hair on Roblox Mobile. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.